morning, my favorite people. It is such a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. Like, I don't know what's been going on since yesterday, but the weather turn up to the bulk. Like, it snowed just the other day, so I don't get how now, like, I'm outside in, like, hello, nothing. What? Yo, I'm so excited. But anyways, right now what I'm doing, it's take your kids to work week. Is that what it is? Or take your go to work with your parents day or take your kids to work day. So Kashaya is at my sister's, so I'm gonna head over there just to spend a couple hours with her before I gotta go pick up Zari, and then maybe do my hair. I wet it, but I didn't wash it, so I definitely need to wash it. And then maybe I'll put back in some tracks or just flat iron it or something. It's Lorraine's birthday this weekend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. So she's having like a dinner and who knows what else she's gonna do. So I gotta look somewhat cute, you know? Even if I don't gotta weave, because you know, times are hard right now. Moving is so friggin' expensive and shit, so I didn't anticipate initially spending as much as I did. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys when I get to my sister's and I'm with Cushy, okay? Bye.
That's what Mom did.
But you have to put your hand actually here.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Pull my ear down. Yeah, so the water doesn't get in there. Yeah,
Like that?
yeah. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
I don't need to drown in my ear. And then do under here. Make sure you get like back here. Put it actually to my head. Like put,
that?
yeah.
There's so much hair in the seat. Sorry. Alright.
Okay. Just make sure it's all wet so you can soap it up now. Okay, so stop it.
Yeah.
Good. Get the shampoo. It's in one of these bottles.
This one?
I don't know. You have to ask your mom.
Mom, is this shampoo?
Take your kids to work day. She has to do my hair. Oh yeah. Get it all over.
So splashy. I should have got up.
And make sure my scalp is clean. Do you understand?
Yeah,
Make sure there's no dandruff, there's no lice, there's no doo-doo, there's no nothing, no sort of buildup is in there. Do you understand? Or else I'm not paying you.
You have long hair, you know.
Thank you. Downtown. All right, we'll be back after.
I'm not doing your hair. I'm doing the comb.
Feels clean. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Rainer. You're so great at what you do. But you're not done.
What?
You gotta dry me up. Hello? Come on. You can't leave your client here. Take the towel
The one I have my hair?
from the bottom. From here, yes. Put it over my head. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you're learning. You're learning so good. Yes, you are. Okay. Yes. Excuse me? But she's such a good girl. Yeah, then let's sit here. And then you know, yeah, and then it's running in my eyes, so you gotta kind of wipe it in the eye in the corner right there. The corner right there, yeah. Yeah, take time. Good girl. Yeah, you just, shake it out a little bit. And then find out from the head lady what you wanted to do.
What do you want me to do? Get the scissors?
I Good one. Not at all. Now it's time for you to go buy lunch. So we put in our orders and you go and you buy it. And yeah. What happened? Isn't that what happened?
Yeah.
I thought when I come here, you guys, oh, it's lunchtime. Then I gotta go run out. She's here, so she has to go buy lunch. It's lunchtime. What time you get lunch at school?
Like
Past lunchtime.
12:05. 12:05.
12:05. Okay, so it's that time. You not hungry, Kusha?
Yeah.
Kusha knows the neighborhood. Kusha, all the food stuff that we like to eat.
Yeah.
You remember when we went to go do our nails?
Yeah.
It's up there way there. You understand?
Okay. Mom, what do you want me to do? Where's the oil? Where's the oil?
Anyways, you guys, yeah, so my niece baked me a cheesecake. You know, she's in culinary. And I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. So this is goes on it.
Yeah. You can eat it.
And cake. Thanks, Asia. And ooh, and it's strawberry. Ooh. I feel like the bottom one looks a little better.
Okay. Yeah, I think the bottom one look better.
I think I'll take the bottom one. What?
It's so not fair.
Hi.
So not fair. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. What colors you wearing today?
And the top one had kiwi. I don't like kiwi.
I got too much pink and purple. I don't give a shit. What are you, a Barbie doll?
That's
pretty. What are you, a Barbie doll?
Yum. Thanks, Asia.
Okay, go
Can I get a
cover
fork?
it before I put hair in it?
Oh, no, that's okay. I'll eat it.
Yes, my darling.
I like your green too.
Thank you. Green is
Take a
always
picture.
money, you know?
Okay. Ready?
Money.
All of that.
Okay.
All of that. Oh, it's this weekend Saturday?
Can I get a fork?
And you say you're going. It's like I'm gonna see what you're doing before I buy my ticket, but I'm going
I never
anyway.
even remember nothing about that. Good
I know
job,
you
Asia.
didn't.
You remember a thing about that, girl.
So that's
Very good. Not good for my diet, but very good.
I'll show you my pictures Monday.
If you're gonna wear, please.
No,
you.
so you
Yeah.
like a red D.
Really?
Yes, and they said a friend yesterday, and he was like, "Oh man, why'd you make?"
My favorites. So my favorite niece is taking me out for lunch.
Yeah.
She's buying too, you know, after she washed my hair and blow dry it. I don't trust her that much with the iron yet, you know, so she couldn't flat iron
I
my
can
hair.
straighten hair good.
Yes, you can. Come on.
We can't go.
Kusha.
Watch the police come and take this out. That's what happened to me and my friend when we were the first day of school and we were walking home. We crossed the street and we were looking at our other friend who was over there. And like we were just walking the street and it was on the stop sign. And the policemen were there doing construction. But we didn't realize until like we were halfway there. And like we couldn't go back. So the police came up to us and he's like, when he was looking at my white friend only, he's like, oh, do you have this much money? Because that's a fine for crossing blah, 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 blah.
Kusha, you got in trouble already with the police?
No. She did. He wasn't even looking at me. He wanted, like, if I could have just walked away.
You're
But I
lucky
just
because you're
stayed there.
black.
Yeah.
Could have threw you down into the ground.
Exactly. So, but he's like, next time don't do that. That's what he
These kids, I tell you.
said. You know that's
They get
what
to
my
high
dad
school,
is?
they swear like, we're in this building.
Yeah.
I was gonna move here.
No, you weren't.
I was.
Why so close to mom?
It's not close to mom, it's just her shop.
Yeah, mom shop.
That's not why I was gonna move here. I was gonna move here because I know what the apartments look like.
So?
I know that they're very spacious.
Isn't that far from like everywhere? Well, not really, because it's close to our house, because mom comes here. It's, well, it doesn't matter.
Anyways, people, so yeah, we're gonna go find something to eat. Time is catching up on me. I gotta leave to go and get Zori and stuff. So yeah. And yeah. You know what I'm
Hi,
saying?
isn't it? Oh my
Yes.
gosh. I didn't even know.
Oh, it's such a beautiful day today.
Downtown.
Gosh, man. No, we're not Rochelle, but downtown. When you're downtown, it's just so funny, but it's crazy. Crazy light skinned girl.
That's where you get it from.
That's where what?
That's where you get it from. Crazy brown skin girl. You're brown.
You think I'm crazy?
Yeah.
I'm not
You're
anything like
crazy,
Rochelle.
Your last name Brown.
Well, yeah. Oh, and her last name's Brown, right? Well, before, is it before she got married or?
Yeah.
No, yeah, before she got married, because now she's a Clark. Hey, girl. Okay, but I'm hungry, so I think that's enough for now. See you guys and talk to you guys later. Hey, guys, I'm home.
These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you, getting nasty for someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need nobody else. Why you never know? Hey, you was in the zone. Hey, you should just be yourself. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know right now I learned it. Ever since I left the city.
Good morning, guys. I am really sick and I just can't shake it. Like, this has been going on for like so many weeks now. No, I am not pregnant. But yeah, like I've just had this sickness, this cold, this fever, like I hate phlegm. I saw it's up on the box, but we call it cold. Alright? I have cold in my chest, cold in my head. Every time I sneeze, it breathe. Every time I cough, it a come up. Like them type of something there, it need to stop. Like and my nose just a run like river, like it no want to stop. You understand? It's very annoying because when I dey on the bus, I always the after there I wipe and I use a tissue and I wipe and I cough and you know it's annoying because when I'm on the bus and I hear people are doing it, me I say ew, like that's gross, and now it's me I do it and I'm like ew, that's gross, and it's me doing it. You understand? So I can't understand the other people them who they around me or them I feel. Chop. But anyways, I'm gonna get some medicine. When I came here the first night I brought my Vicks and I was using it up until maybe Monday. I know me can't find it. And that used to make me sleep at night. Now me can't sleep and my nose all dry up. Like it's like me I breathe in the deserts. And my nose is already the deserts. It's just dry. Oh, it's so bad. I need like a humidifier and like something because this is just not working. But anyways, I'm here. It is Thursday. It's my last day of work for Zari. Next week I start back again watching the kids, Zanaya, Jordan, Jalen, and Josiah. Whoa, I did that from youngest to oldest. Hey! And I probably wouldn't be able to do it the other way around. That's so sick. But yeah, I start back watching them. And then I don't know yet if I have to watch Zari again, but more than likely. Today, before I go and get Zari, I am following Kim to the doctors with the twins. They're getting a needle, and that should be fun. And yeah, Marlon just left for work a couple minutes ago. It's so good that he's closer to work now, and he gets so much more rest. Like, he comes in so early compared to like where we were living before. He comes in so much more early, so he gets a lot more rest. And then even at night, like he gets home so much faster. So and he gets to leave out later as well. So it's a plus for him and stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get ready. I have a toothache too, like, sure hurts, but whatever. I'm gonna go get ready and start my day and get the road on the show and stuff like that. Okay? So I will talk to you guys later. I will see you guys later. And until then, later.